¿Qué onda, raza? Hopefully everybody had a good holiday with their friends, family, whoever you spend it with. Hopefully everything turned out good, like mine. So, other than that, we have another mod for the Silverado. I forgot something else, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Also, follow me on Instagram. I don't know which side. Subscribe. I have other mods I'm gonna be doing to the truck. I'm gonna be lowering it also, but just give me a little bit of time. Also, I want to do giveaways, but I just need more people. Like, I want to do pretty decent giveaways, something worth it. But other than that, I need more subscribers for now. So subscribe. Alright guys, so we're gonna be putting a tailgate assist on the truck. This is from Dee Zee, and the part number is a DZ43100, and this is only for let me zoom in. The Silverado 99 to 07. It will be the 07 Classic only, and the Zero also, the 07 Classic only. So I'm gonna show you guys why I'm gonna be adding one. Just a little example. So you guys saw how it sounds when it just drops or it slips out of your hands. So that's why I'm putting the tailgate assist. So we're gonna open the package right now and show you guys what it brings. Alright guys, so here's all the items it brings. This is a manual, we don't need it. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? The thread locker, the shock, the plates, the bolts, the post, and the washer. So it brings all that. And you can paint these to the color you want, but I'm gonna keep them like this because later on I'm gonna be taking off this plastic and be painting it different color, or the Raptor thing, the bedliner Raptor. I'll be doing that to this truck, so that's in another place. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're gonna take this bolt right here. It's a 13mm. Let's get to it. So there you go guys, installed. Just there were some little problems with the washer. This is a thick washer, and once I placed it in here, you see this right here, that's from the nut that was right here. It's like scraping. So what I did was just change it to a thin washer that you guys can see all the way in the back. And so it moves freely still, because it needs to move freely. So that's what happened, and I did redid everything back, and I mean, I doubt it'll do anything bad, but that's what happened right there. That big scrape was from the nut. So right now, you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me see. Let me focus it. It's like just barely. You see that? Oh, shit. I don't know if you guys can see. It's just probably like a little bit, like probably like this much till it scrapes, but that's better than what it had, the big washer. So let's see. So you pull, and then you let go. Nice. No slam, no nothing. Nice. So I need to fix this because from here I need to fix the thing because there's like something got messed up from this thing, so I need to fix that, and then other stuff I'm gonna try to fix also. It's like pretty hard to take off, but I'm gonna change these on here. Put this right there. It's good. Probably cut it a little bit more. This, you know. But yeah. See that? One more time. What the? Bam. No sound, no bang, no nothing. So everything will be in the description below. That if you guys gonna do this, just get a thin washer. I think it won't hurt it or anything. And yeah, I used a drill with this to tighten it. This is to leave it freely right here. So as long as you can do this, see that, you're good. Don't over tighten it, because else this thing won't be able to go back, and the shock also. So that's pretty much it. So another thing I forgot to tell you guys, you see this nuts right here? So the blue part, you see that? The blue part goes that way. It only fits one way, so yeah, that thing is gonna go that way. If you put them the other way, it won't fit. I tried it, so it's pretty simple, you know, just that is, you know, not a big deal, but yeah, that was pretty good. Alright guys, so everything you saw right now, I'm gonna put it in the description below. You guys can check that out, and stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, and also follow me on Instagram. I'll be putting a giveaway, but I need more people. Trying to do a 5.7 drop on my truck, so I'm gonna try to do a giveaway for that. So I mean, I need more people. That's what I need, so people can see. And yeah, so other than that, peace.